It's my girlfriend.
Hiya.
Katinka, it's her name. What are we doing?
We're making pizza.
Pizza? Cool.
Right now we're eating carrots.
Eh? Eh.
You know how much salt to put in?
Yeah?
Yeah.
How much?
A dash.
Now we got yeast. We don't know how much to put in it.
Do one packet. Go to wrong.
Yeah, I think so too.
Don't really know if we need the whole thing. Oh, you got your scissors.
Thank you.
If it explodes, it's your fault.
Thanks. Now what? Water?
Stir it around.
Stir it around. Done. Ah. Ah. Ah.
You try. And it's supposed to be somewhere warm. Now this being the English flat, there's nowhere. We could put it on the boiler.
True.
But I don't really trust how clean it is in the boiler room. We could turn all the laptops on and then put it on the adapters.
Let's do that.
Remembering not to step on laptops. Go!
Be warm and rise, oh pizza dough of doughiness.
It's gonna end in tears.
Our good knives are in a box in Oslo. So our two options now, for the time being, are one of these.
I would just... I don't know. I don't really know. No, I think this is not gonna work at all. It's just a blunt butter knife. You would rather do that?
You can always do the cheese slicer.
It's not gonna work, is it?
See, it's actually working. Ah! It's not working. Cut slices.
And it won't take time at all. You're using the cheese.
Of course, it's a multi-tool. You can use for anything.
How's it doing?
It's... I don't know. It's a bit bigger. Not much.
How long has it been?
I don't know. Since I started chopping mushrooms. Or slicing mushrooms, rather. Met a Scottish bartender yesterday. I couldn't understand the word he said.
He asked us the same question like 3 times. And we ended up saying yes.
Yeah. Just ended up nodding and smiling and saying, yeah, please. Because he wanted to bring us something.
That's what we understood.
Yeah, and then he disappeared for like 10-15 minutes. We began wondering if he was gonna, you know, run off to some castle and slay a dragon and, you know...
Bring us back the heart.
Yeah, bring us back a dragon's heart or a bucket of blood or something. So here you go. It's 5,000 quid. Yay! It's out of focus. I'll do it again.
Risen.
Yay!
It's alive.
It is actually. Did you know that yeast is a living organism
What you put into your food.
that you put into your food? And then it, you know, it swells and what does it do actually?
It's not just the magic powder you put in your food to make it go floof.
Well, it is for most people.
No, it's not.
Yeah, just you open the bottle, you open the pack, you pour it in, and then you wait
for half an hour.
You wait half an hour.
And your food
Bang!
goes floof.
And it has to fit on this thing. Why?
Because we don't have an oven.
Yeah, well, we have this thing. Thing is, it's a microwave, but it does indicate that you can make other things in it. See there, it has frozen pizza. Now we don't have a frozen pizza, we have quite a fresh pizza.
It should be.
Yeah. But we're just hoping it works, really.
Auto menu, A4, start. Doesn't do anything. Start. I mean, what if the frozen pizza program actually tries to defrost the pizza first? With the microwave.
But that'll just heat it.
Yeah, no, but it would cook it, like boil it.
I don't know. I just want pizza.
Me too.
Why is it so difficult?
I mean, it looks like a pizza, but the thing is, it's sort of puffy. That looks soft.
It is. Really soft.
It's not bad.
It's not bad.
Well, I'm going to tell you about an OCD I have, which you might not know about. Whenever I'm drinking from a bottle, I have to have the label out.
So you can't pull the beer like that.
I can, but I prefer to turn it so that my fingers touch the label on either side.
You're a very strange man.
And then I can drink it.